everybody. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are in His protection from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Okay, in the morning I will tell you about there is or there are. There is or there are ini menunjukkan arti ada atau terdapat. Kapankah penggunaan there is or there are tersebut? We use there is with singular nouns. Kita menggunakan kalimat there is itu ketika kalimatnya menunjukkan arti singular atau kalimat yang menunjukkan arti tunggal atau satu. Sedangkan penggunaan there are itu digunakan ketika we use there are with with plural nouns. Sedangkan there are itu digunakan ketika kalimatnya menunjukkan arti banyak atau jamak. Seperti itu. Contoh, there is a book on the table. Ada atau terdapat sebuah buku di atas meja. Kemudian, there is one man in the room. Ada seorang laki-laki di dalam kelas. Berikutnya, there are books on the table. Terdapat atau ada banyak buku di atas meja. Kemudian yang kedua contohnya, there are several men in the room. Terdapat banyak laki-laki di suatu kelas. Kemudian masuk ke praktek atau contoh penggunaannya. Number one, bla bla bla, a new moon tonight. Ingat, there is itu digunakan untuk kalimat yang menunjukkan arti singular. Sedangkan there are digunakan untuk menggunakan yang arti plural. Ini yang nomor satu menggunakan there is. There is a new moon tonight. Number two, bla 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 bla, someone at the door. Menggunakan there are. There are someone at the door. Number three, bla bla bla, a lot of students absent today. Menggunakan there are. There are a lot of students absent today. Number four, bla bla bla, a mailbox on the corner. Menjadi there is a mailbox on the corner. Number five, bla bla bla, three lamps in the room. Three lamps in the room. Menjadi there are three lamps in the room. Number six, bla bla bla, two large windows in the room. Menggunakan there are two large windows in the room. Number seven, but bla bla bla, only one door. But there is only one door. Kemudian nomor 8, bla 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 bla, a lot of English classes in our school. Menggunakan there are a lot of English classes in our school. Kemudian nomor 9, bla bla bla, nobody in the room now. Menggunakan there are nobody in the room now. Kemudian nomor 10, bla bla bla, a letter on the table for you. Menggunakan there is a letter on the table for you. Kemudian nomor 11, nomor 11, bla bla bla, several beautiful parks in this city. There are several beautiful parks in this city. Kemudian nomor 12, bla bla bla, 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Kemudian nomor 13, bla bla bla, only one cloud in the sky. Menggunakan there is only one cloud in the sky. Kemudian nomor 14, bla bla bla, no one at home. There is no one at home. Kemudian nomor 15, bla bla bla, this is boot. Mohon maaf, this is hot. No silverware on the table. Menggunakan there are scissors hot, no silverware on the table. Okay, the last number is 16. Bla bla bla, no stores in this section of town. Menjadi There are no stores in this section of town. Okay? That's all from me. Kurang lebihnya itu dari saya. Jangan lupa penggunaan there are itu ketika kalimatnya menunjukkan plural, dan there is itu kalimatnya ketika menunjukkan singular. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much and see you later.